In the mist-shrouded mountains of Asia, where the echoes of ancient civilizations still whisper through time, the saga of the Mong people unfolds. Long before East Asia bore the name of China, the Mong thrived as the original guardians of the fertile Yellow River basin, their lives deeply connected to the rhythms of the earth. But as the Han's ambition grew, the Mong were forced to retreat southward, a struggle for survival that spanned centuries. Despite persecution and the walls of the southern Great Wall of China, the Hmong spirit of rebellion against their oppressors blazed brightly, a flame that refused to be extinguished. Amidst this backdrop of resilience and defiance, two young heroes rise. Mai and Two. Mai, a vibrant young woman, loves her community deeply and is prepared to defend her culture and people at any cost. She's driven by her sense of duty, her fierce loyalty to her heritage, and the unbreakable bond with her people. Beside her stands Two, stubborn and confident, sometimes a little too sure of himself. He's courageous to a fault, but his cocky nature can sometimes lead him into danger. Still, his heart is in the right place, and together, they make an unstoppable pair. Guiding them on their journey is their quirky yet wise mentor, Seafood Sea. Equal parts funny and serious, Seafood Sea is a master of Hmong martial arts, and though his eccentric personality may catch others off guard, his skills in battle and teaching are unmatched. As they embark on a perilous journey, Mai and Two, under Seafood Sea's watchful eye, must navigate treacherous terrain and battle the forces that seek to erase their people. But together, they will rise, embodying the indomitable spirit of the Mong, leading their people toward a future of hope, courage, and love. This is their story. A tale of rebellion and resilience, of courage and defiance. A Hmong warrior story.